All right, everybody, it is day 2 of our national park trip through southern Utah. We just woke up a little bit ago, got some breakfast, and we stayed at Best Western plus Ruby's Inn. Definitely recommend. They had really good breakfast for a place that was so cheap. We're headed to Bryce Canyon though. I think we're gonna try to do the Queen's Garden Loop. It should be really beautiful and pretty there because we just had a lot of snowfall. So I'm gonna get a bunch of footage to show you guys, and it's not snowing, so I'll be able to bring the better camera with. So should be a good time. See you guys there. Currently hiking through the Queen's Garden Loop in Bryce Canyon National Park, and the sun is coming out and it just looks absolutely insane. So freaking cool. Highly recommend Bryce Canyon in the winter. It's just like spectacular. Just the snowy landscapes with the red rocks everywhere. So cool. Arch number 2. So the really cool thing about Bryce Canyon National Park is it has the most hoodoos in one dense location than anywhere in the entire world. And what are hoodoos? They're just these giant kind of spiky rocks that just shoot up from the ground, and there's just dozens of them. There's so many in Bryce Canyon. They're literally everywhere around you, and it's super cool. Right now we're walking up to the sunset point, I believe it is. Quite a bit of elevation gain, and I'm out of breath.
Oh, wow.